how to win every single game of Bounty Hunter using Wizard right there. So we're going through a little series of each character to get a win on Bounty Hunter. So I can actually upgrade a lot of these characters again. You know, I can awaken them, so twice. Let's see if we can do it. We already have the first one. Will we do the second awake? Yeah, why not? Let's do it. So now we have an extra permanent ability. I'm going to use that. So the important ones here is, of course, the first one right there, which is bigger explosion. You want distance, you want attack speed, and if you have the extra perk, you use it. If you don't, no problem. Let's just play along. Can we use a different skin? We can. Oh, I didn't even know I had that. So, Bounty Hunter, let's go. Wait, before we start, sorry. Pets. I use Caldera, which is in the first set. Third one on the first set of the dragon picture. Yeah, I like Caldera a lot. So, this is very simple, very straightforward. All you really need to do here is trying to get to the middle and kind of stay around the middle. It's not really the hardest once you're in the middle. Grab a little bit of health right there. So I'm going to do attack speed. I'm going to upgrade that ability first. As you can see, my Caldera is already getting kills. Distance, movement speed. I say they changed the animation. Improved ricochet, is that what that's called? Oh, let's get some heart. If you can kill him, nice. We're going to do movement speed right there. We're going to do, let's do damage. We'll get the book, nice. Now this should be just pretty much, a lot of characters you can sit in the middle and AFK, but you still got to watch yourself, you got to watch your health. It's nice to grab the odd heart if you can get a chance, and then try and make it back for the book in time when it appears. Attack speed. Probably the most important perk ability in this game is attack speed, so yeah, let's do empowered ricochet. And let's do HP up, why not? Here we are taking some big damage, we got to get heart soon. Boom. There we go, back to the middle. Right, there's another one gone. So we have a crow coming over to us. Boom, he should be gone. Yep, attack speed again. Then we got a minute left, we're already on 37 kills. This is pretty much in the bag. Second place has 6 kills. Third has 2, but died twice there. Let's do damage. Oh, we're gonna need a heart soon. Let's grab, oh, we didn't get a chance. But they can be dangerous if they have death strike on. They can kill you just like that. Let's do distance. Bigger explosion. I used to like the old animation for Wizard when you see the big huge explosion. Takes over the whole screen. Anyway, they changed that. Attack speed. 26, 25 seconds left. This should be it in the bag. Let's see who else wants to come to the middle. Let's do damage. We don't need more XP. Got enough of that. 63 kills. Can we go for... Let's try to go for 70 kills. Here's one more. Bigger explosion. Yep, we got 70. Let's get it. 72. Whoa, that attack speed is crazy right now. 4 seconds left. 3. Should get one more. Can we get 80 kills? Ooh, almost. 79. Wow. And there you go. That is how you get a win every single time, which will happen if you do that with Wizard in Bounty Hunter. So you'll rack up those diamonds really quickly. Gems, sorry. Yep, we got, Wizard. Amazing. And Bounty Hunter, there you go. And let's do the next series. Next one will be Gorgon, so stick around for that. I'll have a series on every single one of these. Now, some of them are very hard to get wins in, but we will show you how to do it. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in Gorgon's episode next.